This is the Electrical Load Calculator panel scheduling tool, which helps you determine the total electrical load for your panel based on the number of circuits. The calculator has one input field labeled number of circuits. You'll see a placeholder that says enter number of circuits, and you can input any value between 1 and 50. For this demonstration, I'll enter 20 circuits, which is typical for a residential subpanel. After entering your circuit count, click the Calculate Panel Load button to generate your results. The calculator will process your input and display the total panel load information. This output helps you understand the cumulative electrical demand based on your circuit configuration. The results will show you critical information about your panel's capacity requirements, ensuring you can properly size your electrical panel and verify it meets code requirements. This is essential for both new installations and when adding circuits to existing panels. The calculated values help prevent overloading and ensure safe electrical distribution throughout your system. Remember to always verify these calculations with local electrical codes and consult with a licensed electrician for final implementation. Find the link in the description below.